what I suggest is that you subscribe and follow my channel when I will send you or put up videos on all these 3 different units. And those videos will tell you more. I will have the exact spec from the benching. We did all the benching at Spoon Valley Racing for this. So you will get all the information that you can geek down in. And remember, we're talking about the power between 3,500 and 5,500 RPM. You're not killing the engine, you're just giving it a little bit more fuel in the right places. Is it worth the money to get these systems? This one will set you back around 450 euro, I think. Then you need the mapping for it. This one came together with a DeCat, and together I paid like 600 euros for it, plus shipping. And if you buy this one separate, I think this one is 400 euro, and the DeCat itself is 320 euro if you buy them apart, but together it's 600 euro. Then we have this one. It comes in at 350 euro. I don't know if that's with this Pro or not, but you can look it up yourself. So money wise, it's pretty much the same for all of them. I'm not totally sure if you can buy only the DNA Air 2 filter. If you can, I found the price. I think it's 93 euros, 95 euros something, I don't know. But the full kit with DNA Air 1 and 2 is 155 euros. And if you want just the DNA 1, it's 105 euros, but use the stock filter instead of DNA 1. That is my take. Pluses and minus, this is customizable in the sense that you can change that. This one you can do nothing. This one is totally customizable, and if you like this one, you can move this to your next bike. And your next bike, you just need an adapter fitted for your bike. It's just a cable change. But this can do, and this you have Bluetooth. You can use it with your phone, so you can in the phone do the exact same as this, but even a bit more. Is it worth the money? I will do a test and put up some figures, horsepower per euro, and we'll see how much horsepower per euro you get for each one of these. I think, is it worth it? Yes, it's a different bike, definitely. I would never go back just to get my 700, 800 euros back. No, I won't go back. This is the way forward. So, definitely worth it. Follow for more. Thank you very much. Bye bye.